Hey guys, welcome back to another cyber secure video on CyberPeace TV. My name is Ishban Yadav and today we are going to talk about digital wallets. Digital wallets, a prominent target for cyber criminals. The use of digital wallets has increased multifold during the pandemic in the wake of maintaining physical distancing and the promotion of no contact payments. Digital wallets actually have revolutionized the way we make payments. Even vegetable vendors and roadside tea stalls are accepting payments via a digital wallet. However, this is also a prominent target for cyber criminals. Acknowledging the need to make online payments safer, the Reserve Bank of India (RBI) announced that it would be proposing rules for digital payment security controls called the Reserve Bank of India Digital Payment Security Controls Directions 2020. This is to implement common minimum standards of security controls for mobile banking, card payments, etc. Since our digital wallets are linked to our bank accounts, one wrong click can jeopardize our bank accounts. So, what can me and you do to keep all these risks at bay? Choose security over convenience. Do not save your passwords, financial data in your digital wallets. While it's convenient to not type out a bunch of codes every time you make a payment, this will allow you to minimize breaches. There are many instances when we see that a company's security has been breached and millions of users' data has been exposed and uploaded on the dark web. This data can be used to steal your identity, and a lot of other malicious activities can also be done over it. If you save your passwords in your preferred e-wallet and it ever suffers a data breach, your sensitive financial information will be in the hands of fraudsters. Do not share OTPs. Remember to never give your OTPs to anyone, whoever they may claim to be. Fraudsters often impersonate bank executives to get hold of your OTP. They will ask you to download apps or ask about your OTP by sharing confusing and complicated details about your account. Make sure you spread this information among your family and friends to make them aware of the ways people can defraud you. Never use public Wi-Fi for transactions. Public Wi-Fi can be easily compromised by bad actors. You might sit in a cafe thinking you are getting free Wi-Fi, but when you perform any transaction, your entire bank account can be wiped out by hackers. Always make transactions using secure and private Wi-Fi networks. Report fraud ASAP. Don't delay reporting frauds when they happen. Once you become a victim of such a fraud, your account is compromised and the fraudsters will wipe out your bank sooner or later. Report fraudulent activity without missing a beat. Timely reporting of frauds will ensure a greater chance of the criminals being tracked down and getting the money back. Ensure that your mobile device is secure. Ensure you have a mobile protection solution if you are using an e-wallet. Use antivirus software that comes with a safe pick feature so that your transactions are secure. Update the OS and apps. This is the easiest way but also the least used way to make sure your transactions are safe. The updates let you stay a step ahead of hackers who exploit any vulnerability they find. Malicious ways that are used by bad actors evolve constantly. So you need to take precautions to make sure that you are not an easy target. For more details, you can reach out to us on our WhatsApp helpline number, which is 957 000 0066. That's 957 5 times 0 and 66. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do give a thumbs up if you enjoyed and learned something out of it. It is going to be a cyber secure series. So guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to CyberPeace TV. My name is Ishban Yadav. Bye bye. Good night. I will see you soon in the next episode.